Yes! Flex ng Galagaw. Sige. So, good morning. By the way, my name is Mark, and I will be your tour guide for this morning. And before we start our tour, allow me to introduce to you our coach captain, one of the best coach captain of Iloilo City Government, no other than Sir Ariel. Please say hi to Sir Ariel. We are very fortunate to have Sir Ariel as our coach captain. As a matter of fact, he just got back his license yesterday. Just kidding. Sir Ariel is one of the best coach captains. So, good morning. Welcome to the City of Love, also known as the Heart of the Philippines. And recently declared as the UNESCO Creative City of Gastronomy, which means we have a lot of delicious cuisines, food, delicacies, pastries to be offered to our guests. So Iloilo City is around 280 miles away from Manila. We have a total land area of 7,834 hectares, composed of how many districts? Seven districts. Yeah, namely Haro, we have La Paz, Molo, the city proper, we have Molo, the